Guys, there is a new investment platform in Uganda which is trending now, and it has gone deep up to the villages. And you find that everyone wants to join except me and a few people who have been in this kind of platforms for some time. That is, maybe if I may say, from 2022. Yeah. And those are the ones who maybe suffered most, and now they understand this platform. So in this video, I want to tell you more about this platform. So if you have not yet invested in this platform and you're watching this video, you're very, very lucky. And if you have already deposited or you have already put your money, don't worry, stay with me here and let me review this platform. This is a DevTech YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I talk about investments, and I also give you some risk tips. So my friend today called me and was telling me about this investment platform. It is called Future AI Hub. And the way they told them about this platform, that it has stayed for now, yeah, he told me that it has stayed for 2 years to 1 year. But of course, with me, I know how I can check if the platform is really new or it is old. And even if it is old, I know the scam things. And most especially, the platforms in Uganda will never be legit. They will never be legit. Ask yourself where those people are going to get that money from. Now, this platform, he shared with me the link. Yeah, he said, as I said that, he said that they told them the platform is 2 years old. But of course, I checked the platform and I got the statement. As you can see on my screen, this is when this platform was created, and this is when it is expiring, and this is when they updated this platform. Now, he was telling me about its investment, and this is how they say it works. That you put your money, it is like fixed. When you put your money, it is going to be there. You cannot withdraw until that staking period expires. But guys, listen to me. Take your time, accept my talk, and follow me. Then we shall judge at the end of 40 days for men and 30 days for women. This is the time you're going to come back here and prove me wrong or right. Now, these platforms, if we can recall 2022, 2023, but of course 2022 was the best year, where we had several investment platforms, where we had Charge Anytime, BLQ, UGBets, all those, eCairo, and many more. Guys, in this platform that you are seeing, I have heard of it. It is now like 3 to 5 days before my friend called me, and what made me to make this video is to make you who have not yet put your money here make a right decision. And for you who have already put your money here, you have to take heart and wait. It is going to be yes or no on your side if you have already put your money here. Now, I have some questions about this investment platform. One, if you put 70,000, where do you expect to get that money they are promising they are going to give you from? Know how the economy of Uganda is, what is happening in Uganda, and ask yourself, where will that person who created that platform get the money he is going to give you from? Now, there are others where they say you're going to put your money and you get millions. If you put 2 million, I saw, to put 2 million, you get 4 million. My friend, where will they get the 2 million that they are going to add for you on your 2 million from? Ask yourself before you put your money in this platform. Now, I have my last word that I'm going to tell you in this video. So stick with me, watch this video, don't skip. Grab a soda if you have not yet invested in this platform. Then grab water if you have already invested in this platform. Now, the true fact about this platform is this is an investment platform which is not legit. That is my point. Future AI Hub is not legit. I repeat that. The platform you have put your money, or the platform you wanted to put your money, is not legit. So be careful when you want to put your money here. Right. In my past years, I invested in some platforms. Some of them I made money because I have my own tricks. Some of them I lost. Now the ones that I made money from, I was not investing in any fixed investment platform. And once we see that the platform that was giving you daily income and you can withdraw has now launched that fixed saving part of it, or just know that one already gone. The few first people will be successful, then the next ones will never be successful in it. I tell you, and you're going to come back and ask me in these comment sections. I know I am going to get both positive and negative comments, but the fact remains that the platform you are talking about or you have put your money is not legit. Take my word or discard it. Now, for example, we have seen charge anytime. How best was it? Let me not talk about charging time because it was the first. The best platform that scammed people was BLQ. Ask yourself, BLQ, was it not like this? And BLQ, you get your money daily. And when they started also that option of fixed investment, money stopped coming. Now, I want you to see this. If you have put your money in this platform and you start seeing these signs, just know it is gone. Number one sign will be if they start upgrading. Sometimes they will tell you we are upgrading the system, then they bring it back. That is to fix your mind and to encourage you so that you put more money and you refer more people. The second time, they can at least again do the same. Then maybe the third time they go. The changes that again you're going to start seeing, they will keep opening those long-term fixed investments for you to put your money as a trap. Good enough with this platform, when you put your money, you cannot withdraw your profits until your staking matures. That is another danger part of this investment platform. Some of you are new in online investment and some of you are old. The old people know, but those ones who are new, they have to learn about investment platforms. Right. Another thing is when you start seeing withdrawals that used to come very fast, evolve very quick, immediately you click on withdraw and get your money. If it starts delaying or taking some time, just know that one is gone. You will wait and they will keep telling you about the upgrades and you will not see your money coming to your account. Guys, I am telling you that this platform called Future AI Hub is not legit. If you have put your money here, pray that you as the first person, maybe you are going to get your money. Now, to make everything clear to you, when I check this platform, as I told you, everything is just there, meaning it was just created of recent and it is going to close also. Now, let me promise you that if it crosses July, that is lucky you, but when it doesn't, then that is it. Maybe you're new, maybe you're lucky that I gave you this information early or no. So let's take it the way you understand and the way you want. Thanks so much for following me. Thanks so much for watching, subscribing and liking. Guys, that platform is 100% scam. You will come back and ask me about that platform. Let's meet in the next coming video.